welcome to this video, and today I am going to explain diabetics and sex problem. It is one of the worst problems. Diabetes makes many people's sex life zero and in some cases reduced sexual feelings. You have to understand this problem in detail so that you don't become victim of this problem. I will explain. Closely follow me. To understand the complication of this problem, you should understand the mechanical dynamics of sexual process. Now, I am sorry. See, actually, how erection takes place. If you understand this, you can understand the diabetes problem. Now, when a mood is created in the mind, the brain commands the body circulatory system to send the blood into the blood vessels of the penis. The penis, which is very small, has many blood vessels. When you have a mood, the brain commands the circulatory system to gush the blood into the blood vessels of the penis, where when the blood flows inside, the erection happens. So lot of blood vessels are there, the blood goes and the smaller penis become very strong, erect and big. So both for the erection and the sustenance of erection, blood has to be there. For diabetics people, what happens here is the sugar mixes with the bloodstream and stays with the blood, and prolongedly, if you don't take care of your blood sugar levels, these sugars, if this is the blood vessel, let us assume this is the blood vessel, they go and deposit on the internal walls of the blood vessel. The sugars deposits. So now what happens? This much space vessel now becomes very small because the remaining parts are deposits of the sugar. Now the blood has to flow for the erection. When the vessel is free, blood can go very freely and be there. Suppose after the sugar deposits, it becomes a very small place. The blood cannot flow easily. For some people, more sugar, more deposits, the bloods can't go or goes very slowly. So you are not able to get erected. Understood very clearly. Because of this only, diabetic people, they lose erection. Now, how this damage happens? It happens in two different ways. One, our body-mind system is a very intelligent system. Best computer in the world. Our body and mind. It understands the deposits of the sugars inside the vessel. It understands that this person cannot allow the blood to flow. He cannot allow blood flow in the vessel or get erected. So what it will do now, our brain will reduce our testosterone levels itself. Testosterone is a hormone which creates the mood. Only if the mood comes, blood will be commanded to the penis. Now these sugar people, they don't have the capability for the blood flow into the penis. So it will automatically reduce the testosterone levels so that you won't get mood. There won't be need for blood flow into the penis and erection. Because of this only, majority of the diabetics people, they have very low levels of sexual drive or zero sexual drive. You won't believe, I know about all your people's sexual problem. There are varieties of sexual problem. You won't believe, many people are suffering because of this problem. Those who are diabetics, many people are suffering this problem. And the spouse, wife is a silent sufferer. If she is not having sexual drive, no problem. If she is having more sexual drive, then what happens? Okay, you have to understand. This is one type, testosterone reduction. The other type, testosterone will not get reduced. That means the concerned diabetic person will have more sexual drive, but he can't perform. Erection will not happen. This is horrible situation. He will have continuous sexual feelings, but can't get erected. So he get pissed off, get highly irritated, frustrated, and gradually living like that for years together, get depressed. So these people don't know whom to approach, whom to ask for assistance. Then they suffer. They try various ways. Still they can't get solution. They accepted a sex defeated life and started living without sex. So now good news is, don't worry at all. You can be easily treated, and this situation can be reversed within 3 months of treatment. You can again gain your sexual feelings, good erection, and have a great sexual fun. Don't worry at all. But ladies who are having this diabetic problem, your mood will go down. You won't have sexual feeling at all. So for you also, treatments can elevate your moods, and you can be made to have a great sexual feeling and fun. Take appropriate treatment. Medicines will not help here. Don't try for Viagra and all. It won't help. Temporarily give 2-3 erections. After that, even medicine will not give you a proper erection. Non-medicinal treatment alone will help you to have a great erection. Those who are in initial stages of diabetics, 6 months, 1 year, like that, you people don't require treatment. Simply take care of your sugar levels completely. You can have a great sex. Don't worry. For those who are diabetic and didn't take any proper diabetic management measures, live like that for more than 5-10 years, lost sexual drive completely, those people definitely require treatment. And you have happy news. By treatment, your sexual life can be reversed. All the best. Enjoy life fantastically. Bye bye. See you in the next video.